divination, which is series 2. There are 5 categories of analysis we are going to conduct in order to be able to provide answers to the company's problems. Any company you are trying to analyze or asking you to come and analyze their data, the simple truth is they believe they're having problems and they want you to come and solve it. So they want to know. They want you to come and extract insight from the data they have so that it can inform a better decision. And in our own problem, the problem we have at hand, what we are going to be doing, we splitted it into 5 categories. 1, we are going to conduct a customer analysis. We'll also conduct product analysis. We are going to do other trends analysis. We are going to do category analysis. And we are going to do revenue analysis. There are more analyses that could be done, such as operational analysis, but I'm not going to cover operational analysis in this course. The ones I've mentioned earlier are the ones I'm going to cover: customer analysis, product analysis, other trend, category analysis, and revenue analysis. So we're going to use our data set that I described in series 1, and we are going to carry out all these analysis on that particular data set so that we can provide an insight for the sales company to inform decisions. Let's discuss each in details for better understanding. That's each of these analysis we are going to conduct. Under the customer analysis, what are we going to look for? In the product analysis, what are we looking for? And what are those problems we intend to solve by analyzing the data sets? So the first one is customer analysis. And let's see things that we're going to do under here. I divided this into 2 categories majorly. And the first category is customer segmentation. Then the second category is top customers retention insight. So from our data sets under customer analysis, we want to generate customer segmentation, and then we want to, bring out the top customers and retention insight from the record. So under customer segmentation, one of the things we are going to provide answers for is how many customers do we have per city and per country. The sales company wants to know the country where they're having, what number of customers are they having from different countries, and same thing applicable to the cities. What is the order frequency per customers? The company is interested in knowing how often are customers placing the orders, and how much revenue in total contributed per customers. For top customers and retention insights, the sales company is interested in identifying the top 5 best customers in terms of revenue contributions. The company also wants to know the top 5 best customers in terms of purchase and patronage. The company is interested in knowing the least 5 customers in terms of revenue contributions, and least 5 customers in terms of purchase and patronage. That is for customers analysis. Now for product analysis, I have divided this into 3 categories majorly. We are going to identify the top selling products for the company. We will also determine the underperforming products. And then we are going to check the trend, whether the price has any influence or impact on how much products or the movement of the patronage of a particular product. Whether the higher the price, the lower the patronage, or the higher the price, the higher the patronage. We want to know. We're going to check whether the price has any impact on the product or that. So for the top selling products, the company wants to know which product contributing the most to revenue, or which product is having the highest order quantity. For underperforming products, The company wants to know which are the products with low sales or declining trend, even though it's moving and the sales is going down. They want to know. So we're going to help the company to identify all these products. Then for the price impact, we're going to assess whether product price determine the sales performance. That's we're going to check the product by the order frequency. How often are the customer ordering a specific product? So, and what will have been the reason for the ones that the customers are avoiding and they are not ordering for it? Will it be because of the price or what is the matter? Then the next one we're going to check is the order trends. I divide this one into two categories majorly. We're going to check the seasonal trends and we're going to check in terms of employee performance. So seasonal trend, what we mean is there certain month or certain season where specific products are moving faster? Are there certain seasons where specific products are not selling fast, or are there specific month? So all these things will inform decision and it will assist the organization, the sales company, to be able to take a wise decision. For seasonal trends, we are going to determine the number of orders per month or year to understand the seasonal sales patterns. And for employee performance, we are going to determine the volume of orders managed by employee to identify high performing staff. And the next one we are going to do is category analysis. And under category analysis, I divided it into three categories as well. And the first one is revenue contribution by category. We want to know how much is being contributed by each of the categories. And the second one is category trends. And the last one is inventory optimization. Under revenue contribution by categories, we're going to determine which product categories are the most profitable. We'll also determine which product categories are the least profitable. And then we're going to determine which product categories are highly ordered from different countries. And under the category trend, we are going to analyze the trend in category performance over time. As year goes by, what is the data saying in terms of the categories? Then the third one is inventory optimization. And under the inventory optimization, we are going to identify the popular categories for restocking, that is highest selling categories. And we also, that's the category per order frequency. That's the top 5 highest selling categories. We are going to check the highest selling category. So this will help the management when placing the order, which one should be restocked and which one the management should not go for. So we're also going to identify the slower category for markdown. That's lowest selling category. So that by the time the company wants to place an order, they will be able, reduce the quantity they are going to buy. So under the inventory optimization, we'll identify popular categories for the stocking and we'll also identify slower categories for markdown. Then we have revenue analysis, and under this revenue analysis, I also divided it into 3 categories majorly. And I have total revenue, we have average order value, AOV, and then we have revenue by region. Under the total revenue, we are going to calculate the total revenue from all orders and its distribution by customers. We are also going to check the total revenue from all orders and its distributions by products. We'll also calculate the total revenue from all orders and distribution by category. For average ordered value, we are going to measure the average revenue generated per order. That's the total revenue divided by total number of orders. And for revenue by region, we are going to calculate the revenue contributions from different cities or countries. Thank you. See you in the next video, which is series 3, and where we are going to talk about data importation and cleaning.